What if Sun couldn't control its solar flares?
Don't worry. AumSum will control them.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Sun couldn't control its solar flares, planets may start using a shield to protect themselves. Secondly, if Sun couldn't control its solar flares, Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, will definitely shift out. Lastly, if Sun couldn't control its solar flares, all the planets may soon replace the Sun with another star. What if Earth became invisible?
Don't worry. AumSum the detective will find Earth.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Earth became invisible, Earth might take advantage of this and steal Saturn's rings, Neptune's winds, and Jupiter's great red spot. Secondly, if Earth became invisible, Earth may get super confident and approach the black hole. Things may not end well for Earth. Lastly, if Earth became invisible, astronauts might not be able to find Earth. They may have to land on the moon. What if Sun lost its memory?
Don't worry. AumSum the doc is here.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Sun lost its memory, Sun may stop giving heat and light. All planets might start freezing. Secondly, if Sun lost its memory, Sun may get scared of all the nuclear reactions taking place on its surface. Lastly, if Sun lost its memory, Sun may not remember how to control its solar flares. What if humans shifted to Uranus?
Nah, Uranus is not that famous.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, Uranus is an ice giant. If humans shifted to Uranus, all humans may keep on shivering. Secondly, 1 year on Uranus is 84 Earth years long. If humans shifted to Uranus, humans may celebrate their first birthday after getting extremely old. Lastly, Uranus is said to have no oxygen. If humans shifted to Uranus, humans will have to wear oxygen masks all the time. What if humans shifted to Venus?
Cool. Even I am gonna shift to Venus.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, Venus is the hottest planet. If humans shifted to Venus, then ice creams may not last even for a fraction of a second. Secondly, clouds on Venus smell like rotten eggs. If humans shifted to Venus, humans will be extremely sad. Lastly, Venus has most number of volcanoes. If humans shifted to Venus, houses on Venus may keep on getting destroyed.